Hello and welcome to the Courtroom Chronicles, Trials of South Africa, and welcome to today's episode, another episode that I want us to unpack. My name is Busisiwe Mohapi, and this is the Courtroom Chronicles, Trials of South Africa. And today I want us to unpack one of the most shocking, scandalous financial disaster that happened in the Val. If you know Val, Van der Bijl Park, Sidibeng, yeah, those are the areas. There's a municipality there. Its name is Emfuleni Municipality. So this municipality is a struggling municipality. Hey, it's struggling to pay Eskom and rent water. It's owing all these things that I'm talking about. Struggling to pay its employees, but they were involved in a legal battle from 2017 to March last year, 2024. And you might ask yourself, what is this legal battle about? It is a battle with one guy. One man, wabaslice. Ngi one, mina ngi one, nzobaslice. That's what the man said. I'm thinking, no, ngiyadlala. So, what's the name of the guy? The name of the guy is Mr. Edward Radebe. Mr. Edward Radebe was an acting occupational health and safety manager for the municipal, for the local municipality. So now Mr. Radebe, he looks at he had been on the position, acting on the position for over 10 years, a decade. Then he's looking at his payslip and his stuff. He's like, where are my benefits, guys? I haven't been getting benefits, and I was hoping I will take over this role permanently, because right now I'm still an acting occupational health and safety manager. Then there are no benefits, so he takes them to court. When he gets to court, I'm sure his lawyers said, this person has been on this role for over a decade. He deserves to have benefits like everyone else. And he wins the court case. He wins at labor court, and he's awarded 739,000. Couple of rands. We're gonna get into it, and the municipality is like, Aibo, never, hell no, that's not gonna happen. So let's take it further. We're not going to pay you the 739,000 that you want for benefits. Although you've been working for a decade, but you don't deserve those benefits. Because why were they not giving him the benefits from the first place? If he's been an acting occupational health and safety manager for a decade, he deserves to have those benefits. But yeah, that's my opinion. I don't know what's yours. Please let me know in the comments what you think. So now this, I want to break it down for you so that you'll see where the 55 million went. Ne? Yeah, I'll break it down to you. According to the documents revealed in the Gauteng Provincial Legislature, Emfuleni local municipality spent a grand total of 55,315,741 rands and 84 cents on legal fees. One man, wabaslice, bona, they spent 55 million to avoid paying him 739,000 for benefits for the 10 years, a decade that he spent there. So let that sink in. Over 55 million rands. Not for major infrastructure, guys. We are not talking about infrastructure. They spent this money to fix some potholes, to do this and this. They spent that money to pay electricity that they owe, or rent water because they are owing those institutions that money. It was not for that. It was just to fight one man in court and wabaslice. Nah, kill one. Slice. That's what happened. So where did the money go, you might ask? Where did the money go? I'll tell you just in a bit. Where did the money go? So this is how the money was sliced up between law firms. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 law firms. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to give you the amounts. Yeah, I think you should get something to drink and get your calculator because you're going to need it to see where did the 55 million go. The first one, it went to Madlopa and Tenga. That's the first firm. They got 37,551,183 rands and 96 cents. Femi 1 got 37 million plus. Boaters Heading Incorporated was paid 15 million. 196,244 rands and 35 cents. The first one got 37 million. These ones, they got 15 million. The third one, Mujela Hlazo Attorneys, took home 1,730,813 rands and 53 cents. So Bonashem Batoli million. The other ones got 15 million. The other ones got 37 million. And the Hogong attorneys received 47,500. So 37, 15, 1 million and 47,500. Yet, guys, the labor law had said, give this man 739,551 rands and 52 cents for the decade that for the benefits for the decade that he's worked. And Edward Khadebe was looking forward to getting this money and having the position permanently. He's been acting as an occupational health and safety manager for a decade. And he was hoping, Shem, Guti, they will take him, but they didn't. Instead, they took each other to court. I don't know, Bob Edward took them to court and they were disputing. From 2017 up until March, you can imagine what this man went through. They lost 55 million paying for the legal fees, and then he went through stuff. I'm thinking emotionally, you have to go to court, you are applying again, and you are what. You can imagine what this guy had to go through. So the South African Municipal Workers Union has called this a disgrace and a betrayal to the residents, guys, and the workers of the municipality. I will tell you just now, Guti, how were the workers betrayed and were disgraced. The residents, is obvious. Guys, we have a lot of problems in our municipalities, guys. There are no jobs. We've got potholes. We have water shortages. We have electricity problems. The list goes on and on. And this municipality is struggling to pay. It's also owing Eskom and Randwood. But it goes and fights one man in a legal battle and pays over 55 million. You tell me if that makes sense. Okay. So the South African Municipal Workers Union, SAMU, like I said, has called this a betrayal and a disgrace. Why? Because this was done to avoid paying one guy, like I said, and just 211,000 rands extra. Remember, I told you they were avoiding to pay him 211. No, I didn't mention this. I'm mentioning it now. They were avoiding to pay him 211. He took them to court. They were ordered to pay him 739,000, and they ended up paying legal fees. Zemalini, 55 million. Yeah. And this is not an isolated event, okay, guys. They say that on top of that, the salaries were not paid in December. Imagine spending Christmas, guys, and New Year's, and your salaries were not paid because 55 million was spent in a single legal battle. That could have been easily avoided by paying that guy 739,000 that they were supposed to pay him. Yama benefits. But they ended up doing what? Paying legal fees of 55 million rands. And obviously, where will the money to pay the salaries for the workers come from? Because it was spent on this unnecessary legal battle from 2017 to 2024. Yeah, that's a problem. So now the SAMU and the DA was just saying this is a disgrace, and they were livid. This is a spending spree. Money wasted for nothing. And the DA wants this case to go to the public protector so that whoever was responsible for paying all these legal fees, guys, aibo, you were told to pay someone 739,000. You don't want. You keep on fighting until you lose 55 million. And they lost. Good one, or maybe if they won, they lost. One man, Bra Eddie, sliced. Sliced them. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in today in today's episode. And I'm asking you to like, subscribe. It's free. You don't pay anything. You just subscribe. Press the subscribe button there. You like the video. And you hit the notification button so that whenever I do another video and upload, you get it. Thank you so much. And yeah, because in this in this country, the courtrooms, guys, they don't just hold trials. It's not only trials. They tell the most revealing stories. Yeah, so I'm here to let you know. And thank you so much for joining me. Until the next episode, God bless. Thank you.